Today we are going to see about the actions class in Selenium API. The actions class comes into picture when you have to automate the mouse movements in a browsing activity. So the mouse movements are some of the movements like click, double click, where you have to move the cursor to a specific element. These are all some of the actions. So there are two types of actions in Selenium API. One is the mouse actions and the second is the keyboard actions. So the mouse actions, the methods supported in Selenium API for mouse actions are click, double click, click and hold, move to element, drag and drop, context click. So the click is a normal operation whenever you are clicking on any element, so which can be just by finding the element and calling up this click method will make the element to be clickable. The second is a double click. So double click is where you are clicking the element twice. So here the double click method is used for that purpose. The third is click and hold. Click and hold is this click and hold method will be used when you are doing drag and drop. So while you are clicking on an element and you are holding it either to drag it to another target position, then you will call click and hold. And for drag and drop, there is also a drag and drop method itself available where you can give the source element and the target element. So the source element can be dragged and dropped it into the target position by using drag and drop. The move to element is where you have to move the cursor to a specific element. Context click is right click action in the browser activity. So the keyboard actions are send keys, where you have to pass some of the keys to the element. Key up method is used to release the key. For example, if you are pressing the key, if you are pressing A, then that is a keyboard action. For that we'll use key down, and if you want to take some actions while you are releasing the key, then you have to use key up. So these are all the actions. So I want to discuss about a sample code snippet for actions. For actions, the class name is actions in Selenium API. Where how to create an actions object is we have to pass the driver object to the actions constructor and create an instance for actions class, so that actions instance can be used to call the corresponding either mouse actions or keyboard actions method. I have just mentioned a move to element method, for example. So I am moving the cursor to a search menu available in the browse activity. So the search menu has the locator name. So I am by using actions instance, so I am calling the move to element method, and in move to element method I have to pass the element which I have to move it to. So I am giving the element driver.find element and I am passing the locator by using name here. So the locator of the element, the name is search. So I have passed the element. So after move to element, for every action we have to do build and perform to perform the action. So this is the mandatory one. So we have called .build.perform. So this makes the Selenium to move the cursor to a specific element. Thank you. Please follow our VLearn page. Thank you.